You are welcome back to Ashilebe Latifat Online Academy, and here is an Olympiad Maths. So if x squared y plus xy squared is equal to 30 and x cubed plus y cubed is equal to 35, find x and y. Solution. Now, what you need to do now is that you have to find a way of do some manipulation to these equations. Now, let's call x squared y plus x y squared is equal to 30. Let's call this one equation 1. So x cubed plus y cubed is equal to 35. So we're going to call that one equation 2. So from here, from equation 1, we can factorize xy out. So factorize xy out from equation 1, we have x plus y is equal to 30. So from here now, we can make x plus y the subject of the formula. So by dividing both sides by x, y. So if you do that, we have x plus y. So this x, y will cancel x, y. So we are left with x plus y is equal to 30 over x, y. Now from here, we have to look for a way of making this x plus y to be in form of x cubed plus y cubed. So let's call this one equation 3. So what we are going to do now is that we have to cube both sides of equation 3. We have to take the cube of equation 3. So by doing so, we have x plus y cubed then is equal to 30 over y cubed. So we take cube of both sides now. So from here, we have to expand x plus y cubed. So and by binomial expansion using Pascal triangles, so this x plus y cubed gives us x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3x y squared plus y cubed. So from here now, we can now write the value of x plus y cubed, which is 30 divided by xy cubed. So anywhere we see x plus y cubed, we are going to put 30 over x y cubed here is equal to x cubed plus y cubed. Let's take them together. So we have x cubed plus y cubed. Then we are left with plus 3x squared y plus 3x y squared. So from here, the next thing that we're going to do is that let's rewrite 30 over xy then cubed is equal to, anywhere I see x cubed plus y cubed, I'm going to write 30 there at 35. That is equation 2. So x cubed plus y cubed is equal to 35. So anywhere I see x cubed plus y cubed, I'm going to put 35 there. Plus, let's factorize 3 out from this one. So I have 3 into bracket. X squared y plus x y squared. So anywhere I see x squared y plus xy squared, I'm going to put 30 there from equation 1. So I have 30 over xy cubed is equal to 35 plus 3 into bracket 30. So 30 over xy cubed gives me 35 plus 90, because 3 multiplied by 30 gives me 30. So I have 30 over xy cubed is equal to 125. So the next thing that I have to take cube roots of both sides. So taking cube roots of both sides, I have 30 over xy is equal to cube root of 125. And what is cube root of 125? The answer is 5. Cube root of 125 is 5. So I have 30 over xy to be equal to 5. So from here I can cross multiply. So I have 30 multiplied by 1 is equal to 30, and 5 multiplied by xy gives me 5xy. So divide both sides by 5. I have 6 is equal to xy. So I have to name this one equation 4. So you have to recall that we have x plus y to be equal to 30 over xy. And we have gotten xy to be equal to 6. So anywhere we see xy, we're going to substitute 6 there. So we have x plus y to be equal to 30 divided by 6, which is xy. So x plus y is equal to 5. So we got this one to be equation 4. So this x plus y is equal to 5 will now be our equation 5. So let's write it together. So from equation 5, let's make x the subject. So we have x to be equal to 5 minus y. So equation 6. So I'm now going to substitute this equation 6 into equation 4. So equation 4 is xy is equal to 6. That means anywhere I see xa, I'm going to put 5 minus 1. So xy becomes 5 minus y multiplied by y is equal to 6. So I have, if I expand 5 minus y multiplied by y, I have 5y minus y squared is equal to 6. So you can see that this one is in quadratic form now. So I can now have 5y minus y squared then minus 6 is equal to 0. So let me arrange it to be in form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So I want this, my 5y minus y squared minus 6 is equal to 0 to be in form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So that is equal to 0. So it's in quadratic form now. So I will have minus y squared then plus 5y then minus 6 is equal to 0. So from here now, I would like to multiply both sides by minus 1. So multiply this side also by minus 1. So minus 1 multiplied by minus y squared gives me plus y squared. Minus 1 multiplied by plus 5y gives me minus 5y. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 6 gives me plus 6 is equal to 0 multiplied by minus 1 gives me 0. Now, the next thing is that I have to multiply y squared by 6. It gives me plus y squared. So I need two factors of plus 6y squared that if I add them together, I'm going to have minus 5y. So I have minus 2y and minus 3y. So if you want to learn about quadratic equation, you can watch my videos. So I have videos of quadratic equation. So I have y squared minus 3y minus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. So I have y into brackets y minus 3 minus 2 into brackets y minus 3 is equal to 0. So I have y minus 2 multiplied by y minus 3 is equal to 0. That means my y is equal to 2 or 3. So that is that. Now, having gotten the value of y, I have to substitute it inside either equation 4 or equation 5. Now, I may decide to put it in equation 4. Equation 4 is x, y is equal to 6. So now when y is equal to 2, when y is equal to 2, I have x multiplied by 2, which is 2x, is equal to 6. Then divide both sides by 2, my x is equal to 3. Now, the next thing is that I have to find when y is equal to 3. When y is equal to 3, then this x, y is equal to 6, which is equation 4, becomes x multiplied by 3, which is 3x, is equal to 6. So divide both sides by 3, my x is equal to 2. Now, that is how to find that. So I can now say that the value of my x, comma y is equal to 2, 3 or 3, 2. So x is equal to 2 or 3, then y is equal to 3 or 2. So if you want to check whether we are correct or not, you can substitute the value of x when x is equal to 2 inside the equation 1 and equation 2. When y is equal to 3, substitute it. So that means whenever x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. So when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. So you substitute it. When you are substituting for x to be equal to 2, that means your y will be equal to 3. So if you substitute it, we are going to get 30 and 35. When x is equal to 3, your y will be equal to 2. So that is how to do that. So till I see you in the next class, God bless you. Bye bye.